Hello, my name's Debbie Powell, and I'm one of the founding owners of Health Actions Physical Therapy and Fitness. Today I want to talk with you about the best ways to optimize your recovery when you're being treated in physical therapy. So one of the first things that I want to emphasize to you is that you should perform the home exercise program that's been provided to you by your physical therapist or your licensed assistant, just as they have prescribed it for you. It will help to maintain the gains that have been achieved during your physical therapy session. Often you have tight muscles, tight joints, and we're restoring the motion in those muscles and joints. And when that occurs, those muscles and joints have a memory, and they tend to want to go back to that tightened state. So be sure, perform your home exercise program. If you ever have any problems with those, please call and ask to speak with your therapist and get more information about how to make those more comfortable to you. They should not be painful. The second thing that I want to talk with you about in this optimizing your recovery is if your therapist has provided you information about how you should be modifying your posture, be sure that you pay attention to that. It's very important if they've given you instructions on modifying your sleep posture, your sitting posture, how you sit in the car, your favorite chair at home. All those things are extremely important. We tend to habitually get into positions that cause the pain that has developed. And if we can modify that, then we will again speed the recovery. So do pay attention to those postural instructions. The third thing I want to talk to you about is to be sure to drink a lot of water and stay hydrated. Being properly hydrated will help your body to heal faster. We are made up of 70 to 80% water. And if we don't have enough water in our system, then all of the different body systems have a hard time functioning, or they won't function at their optimum level. So be sure to drink plenty of water. The other thing you need to be mindful of is that when we have loosened, tight muscles or joints, you often get a release of chemicals into the bloodstream that can make you feel achy or tired. And so if you'll drink the water, it'll help flush those out and you'll feel much better as we move forward with your treatment program. A fourth thing I want to talk to you about is what you eat. We tend to eat so much of the SAD diet, the standard American diet, that is not so good for us. So many foods that are pro-inflammatory, and they don't help our bodies to heal when we're in a treatment session. As an example, if you wanted to just Google acid and alkaline foods and look at the way the foods are labeled, it would be helpful to you in your recovery because it's going to show you the alkaline foods help your body heal faster. So fruits, vegetables, things of that nature will help you, again, to heal more quickly. And along those lines for food, I want you to think fried foods, sweets, sugars, all of those things are pro-inflammatory, things that turn to sugar quickly. As an example, pretty much anything that comes in a bag or a box that has a long life on the shelf will turn to sugar quickly. It's high in carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates, and those things are not helpful as we are trying to heal. Another important item to be aware of is how much we sleep. If we do not get adequate sleep, then our bodies have a hard time repairing and healing. So adequate sleep is very, very important. If you're having trouble sleeping, you might look towards some natural sleep aids that could help you. Chamomile tea, just to mention one as an example. And the last thing, but sometimes the most difficult to modify, is stress. Stress can make us sick. And if there's a lot of stress going on in our lives, it can contribute to tightness of muscles, pain, spasm, and therefore then our opportunity for healing is lessened and healing will take longer. So those are some tips for helping to optimize your recovery. We're here to help you feel better, move better, and live better. Hope to see you soon if you have a need where we can help.